Okay guys, so welcome. In today's video we are going to be checking our Tomarket Airdrop allocation. So apparently this season of Tomarket has actually ended, has come to a close. So they have already done the snapshot. So here is how to check your Tomarket allocation. If you are just seeing this channel for the first time, please ensure what you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Subscribe now and let me know where you're watching from. Subscribe so you stay connected, because I post update and top information as this, and at the end of this video you are going to be seeing a top-notch information of a crypto that is going to be launching in just few months of this year 2024. So quickly now, if you want to check your Tomarket allocation quickly, what you just need to do is you just look down on my screen. On your bottom right, you just tap on airdrop. So if you tap on your airdrop, it's going to just load up. So once it load up, it's just going to ensure that you must have connected your BitGet wallet. Then the next thing for you to do is tap on check airdrop. So once you tap on check airdrop, it's going to just load up like this. So you see it's actually reading. I'm about to just check my own allocation right now as I'm just making this video. So actually this is it. I did not do the Tomarket premium medal. I actually did this. So I did 4 steps basically. I didn't do the premium medal. If you did the premium medal, please let me know in the comments section. So the next thing for us to do now is to tap on next. So once we tap on next, I'm going to be seeing my Tomarket allocation. So this is what they're also telling me. They say if you want to get more Toma and 100% token distribution, you should buy the premium medal. But I for one, I'm not going to be purchasing the premium medal. But if you want to purchase it, you can do, but I'm not going to purchase it. Reason I will just keep them to myself. But if you want to know my own reason, you could ask in the comment section. So quickly, I just want to skip it and see my own allocation for this season. So they say congratulations, you're eligible to get Toma airdrop. So this is just to notify everyone that it is not actually compulsory for you to go for the premium medal. So whether you did the premium medal or you did not do it, you are actually qualified. So for me, you can see they say congratulations, you have claimed a total of 2,838 Toma. You can now stake them immediately to earn more. So you see, out of everything I did for the previous season, I just got 2,000. So you see, the next thing for me to just do is to just tap on start. Hope you see how I did mine. As I just did, it's very easy. So it's very simple. They say listing. So you can see they say listing soon. Go stake and earn more. So what I will do is that I'm going to be staking this. Why will I be staking this? Because Tomarket token generation, the listing has not yet fully commenced. So if you tap on stake, it's going to help you to increase your allocation. So they see I'm going to be earning 20% of whatsoever I stake. So if I just tap on stake here, they say Tomarket farming pool, invite friends, blah blah blah. I'm not necessarily going to be doing this. So I want to go for stake. Let me see the stake option. Okay, this is just like an advert for them. I think probably the stake option is not actually available. So okay, let me just go and tap it again. I see. Okay, so I think it's not actually available right now, but basically what I'm just trying to inform you guys, I just showed you how to check your Toma airdrop allocation for this season. The first thing, again, I'm just going to do a little recap. You just make sure you come on airdrops. Once you come to airdrop, they are going to just have done my own check, so that's why you're not seeing all this thing. They are going to just ask you to check airdrops. Once you check airdrop, it's going to just show you your qualification criteria, the ones that you met up with, and the next thing for you to do is to just tap on next, and you see how much you have earned. Then we continue playing the Toma season. Now here is how you can also earn more for Tomarket. They always do this daily combo. If you come to tax, there's always a daily combo they do daily. With that daily combo, you can earn more, and I also post that daily combo daily for you guys to know how to do it, and also earn more. So ensure you subscribe to this channel to stay connected, so you don't miss any information at all. I don't just post only Tomarket airdrop. There are different airdrop I've posted, so ensure you check my video log so you don't miss out from any airdrop. Are actually free money, and free money will actually give you some USDT that you can use to buy some coin for the bull run. If you want me to help you on how to get some coin for bull run, recommend some coin for you at your own choice, you could also indicate in the comment section. So thank you guys for watching. Please ensure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Feel free to ask your question in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer and guide you. Thank you, guys.